welcome to my kitchen. My name is Tosin. What I'm making for you today is one of Nigerian street food snack, sweet, tasty, puffy, and the name is known as puff puff. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's get cooking. And the ingredients for the puff puff are 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, a pinch of salt just to bring out the sweetness of the dough, 3 cups or more of water. It depends on mixture whether you need to add more or use less. Now let's get started. Measure the yeast in a bowl and add lukewarm water to it. Combine all the other dry ingredients in a separate bowl and mix. Add the yeast mixture to it and mix all together for 2 to 3 minutes. You can mix by pulling the dough towards you. Then make sure everything is smooth and well incorporated. Cover the dough and let it rise for 2 hours or more. And if you want to fry the following morning, you can mix at night, cover and leave it till the next morning. Place your pot on the stove and add in your choice of herb. And to give your dough a twist, this is optional. You can add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg or chopped habanero to the dough, mix together and it's ready to be fried. Scoop and squeeze the dough into balls. And it takes between 5 to 7 minutes to turn golden brown. And done with this time, you turn it around with a skewer or fork or a spatula, and it's ready to be served. And this is the outcome of the yummy, delicious and golden brown puff puff. This can be eaten as a snack or served as a small chop in a party. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment down below. I wish you happy cooking from my kitchen to yours.